It's just me up here. It's the first time really moving away from home for any extended period of time. My mom very graciously agreed to pay my rent, but everything else is on me. So I knew just right away I'd need to start applying for scholarships. The AAMA scholarship, having money dedicated towards school, towards books, towards education, has just been a huge burden taken off of me. It allows me to really focus more on my studies and not have to find another job to work. Part of the AMT program is that we work 3 days a week and we're paid to work, but that money only goes so far. If it weren't for that scholarship, I probably wouldn't be in this program. That money made a huge difference in covering not only tuition costs, but books and fees. Everything just starts to add up really quickly. I'm very grateful to the AAMA for the money that they've put aside, and for me, it's going to help me get through school. It's the simplest way to put it. It's really pushing me towards a full-time job and a career in maintenance, something that I'm never really expected would happen so quickly, but very thankful that it has.